print. That was big.
So guys, after a shower and a bit of a clean, day 2 is done. That's the competition. We only managed to get a 4.6 kg bag, yeah, if it wasn't for yesterday's DQ, we would have still been in the lead with about a 2 kilo, 2.5, somewhere around there, lead. So it's hard sore that going into the final day tomorrow we could have got our 5 bag limit and end up taking the whole FLW championship and go off to the States. But it happens, and yeah, we won't be going. What can we do? Anyways, that was the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. You can hit the thumbs up, like and subscribe, show your support, throw your comments, what you think about everything, and catch you on the next video. Wow, peace. So guys, yeah, day 3 of the FLW championship has come to an end for Team Timols. We've just had quite a few bags from already Wednesday, so that was already not a great start. Yesterday we tried to hit and tried salvage something, and it wasn't too bad, but today the seal for the motor has gone, poured out all the oil, and we've just decided that with all this bad luck, we're calling it. So good luck to all the FLW anglers for today. Yeah, and tight lines. Cheers.
Caught in the crossfire.